2017 Ford Mustang V6. What we got done on it for you guys? Factory converters there and there. Then we added an X pipe, took the factory resonator off. Then I ran 2.5-inch system all the way back on this side and this side into 4-inch carbon fiber tips with a blue accent, as you guys can see right there and right there, just to complete it. Came out really clean, really beautiful. There's the old exhaust system that was on it, factory mufflers, factory 2.25 pipe. We just opened it up for him, let him hear it better. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. 2016 Ford Mustang V6, 3.7 liter. We got factory converters there and there. Then it goes 2.25. We eliminated the resonators, both of them, which has a built-in X pipe in there. He wanted a true dual. He saw one of our videos. And then 2.25 tailpipes into 4-inch black angle cut tips there and there. Did a rear muffler delete on it, right there and right there. This is the two mufflers we cut off. I don't know where he put the resonator. Did he throw it on the dirt? Nope. I don't know. Anyways, so we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Much better. Wow. Oh yeah. Your sound decibels again. 119, guys. And it's a 6-speed manual too, guys. So you can see why we can rev it so high. Wow, that sounds so good. So what do you think, man? You like it? Yeah.
Sounds good.
Enjoy it. We appreciate you bringing it in. We'll let you guys hear on that. That sounds good. Sound decibels? Go ahead. Bro, it's hitting 122. That's crazy. You ought to back it up.
Yeah, a little rough because I did a little valve wiggle.
It's so loud, man. Let you guys hear on the inside. Back again. It's crazy. I didn't expect that, but okay. Awesome.